Labs here again. I'm here with my son Connor. We're going to do our little experiment. Today we're talking about a little chemical reaction and how we're going to try and make a little rocket or a torch. Now what the things we're going to be using, we have hydrogen peroxide or a little mason jar, a little noodle here, which is going to be our fuel for this that we're going to light, and then some baking yeast. Now this yeast was just in the freezer, so I don't know if that's going to affect anything, but we'll see what it does. And we've created this little lid to the mason jar with a hole in it. Okay. So what we're going to try and do, so Connor, go ahead and put that hydrogen peroxide in here. And what's going to happen as he's filling that up, just to, that's good, okay. So as he's doing that, what's going to happen is that the hydrogen peroxide, H2O2, is going to react with an enzyme in the baking yeast that creates a kind of, it's basically a catalyst, and it helps break down the H2O2 into pure O2, and that pure O2 is what's going to feed the flame and create the rocket or the torch. So I'm going to go ahead and do it. I'll do that just a little bit amount. You got your lighter?
Yep.
Okay. Alright, so we're going to try this again. Here we go. Mix it up a little bit. Get that on there. And we'll mix it up one more time. Okay. Go ahead. I'm going to hold it down.
My hands are a little.
There you go. That is working pretty good. You can see that torch. Kenley, if you come closer. Come closer. Get right up next to it. You can actually hear it. See that? So again, the chemical reaction that's happening down here in the bottle. Whoa! Look at that.
It looks like a sword.
Wow, that was cool.
Whoa! Look at the bottom. It's kind of lighting in there.
Yeah, that's cool. So the chemical reaction that's happening down in here, you can see it bubbling if you look down on the bottle. So that's the reaction that's occurring. That's the O2 being released, and the O2 is being funneled out that little hole in the lid and out the noodle. Now the noodle is what the fuel is. And so that's holding the flame, and that's what stays on fire, obviously. But the O2 that's being released is fueling that, and it's forming that pure O2 and being released. Pretty cool stuff, man. That one worked good. What do you think, Connor?
It's pretty cool. I like it. So
we're gonna probably try this a few more times, hoping maybe see if we can get any better reactions or maybe what things change. But that worked pretty darn good. So just to again recap, if you feel that, oh yeah, see, feel this, Connor.
Is it hot?
Down here, it's not hot, but it's warm. You can tell that down here where the reaction was occurring, where it's kind of done bubbling, but it's warm. Even down here, which is a ways away from the flame, so I know that that's not what caused this to be warm. But way down here, not smoking. I'm gonna set the alarms off, but so it's an exothermic reaction. That was kind of cool. But so anyways, hope you learned something, and thanks for watching.